So right here we're doing a job where we have the house about 100 feet away from us. As you can see, we're gonna be doing a pipe burst from here all the way to here. When you're working in an area that is about 100 feet away from the house, you're not gonna have any power in this area. This is where the Milwaukee MX Fuel generator comes in hand. This Milwaukee generator came in perfect for this job site. And Milwaukee actually let us test this out for a few months, and because we liked it, we ended up purchasing one, which was nice of them. It's awesome. It's battery powered. The batteries take about 45 to 90 minutes to charge. My partner's using his chipping hammer down there. It's working perfectly. Thanks for letting us try this out. You know, send us some more tools. Sponsor us if you can. That'll be great. And yeah, pretty much it. Thanks, Milwaukee. Appreciate it.